This is a side plank, modified side plank. So you're going to do it with your knees bent, and we're going to aim to build towards 10-second holds, and you're going to repeat those 10-second holds with however many sets you are recommended. But the way to set this up is you are going to get down on the floor or on your mat, and side position's a little bit of a challenging position sometimes because you don't really know if you're rotated. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get that elbow right underneath the shoulder. One common thing is people usually put their elbow too far, and then when they're pushing up, it's like it's just too much. It's not in line. So you really want to make sure that shoulder, that elbow is right underneath that shoulder. And then you're going to have your feet back. Your legs are not going to be in full extension because the truth is most of us have tightness in our quads or front of the hip, soft tissue that you'll just take this into your back. So the feet are definitely behind you, but the knees, they're just a little bit in front of your hips. So they're comfortable. They're not up like this, like you would be just bent, but they're back certainly a little bit. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to stack your hips. So you want to make sure you're not rolled back, and usually people don't roll too far forward. If anything, they're kind of open to the back. So you just want to stack those hips up. And then once you're there, you're going to inhale, fill your abdominals, exhale, draw those abdominals inward. And then you're going to press into the floor with your forearm and your knees, keeping your knees together. And you're going to lift that hip up. And you're going to hold this for 10 seconds, or you might be building towards 10 seconds. And then you're going to come down. One other thing that I didn't mention, once you get everything stacked, you could kind of be hanging out like this, and this is really collapsed on this bottom side. Before you go to lift up, you want to try to make a diagonal line from your armpit, the bottom armpit, down your side to that bottom hip. That's your preset. And then you can inhale, exhale, draw in, and press up to hold and breathe.